Welcome to Tech Vibe, your ultimate destination for the latest in technology, innovation, and cutting-edge gadgets. Today, we dive deep into the Sony Xperia 1V, a flagship smartphone that has redefined mobile photography, performance, and display technology. Sony has consistently pushed the boundaries of smartphone capabilities, and the Xperia 1V is no exception. With its stunning 6.5-inch 4K OLED display, boasting a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, this phone delivers an immersive visual experience like no other. Whether you're watching high-definition content, gaming, or editing photos, the display ensures true-to-life colors and razor-sharp details. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Paired with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage, it provides ample space and speed for demanding tasks. Sony has retained its commitment to expandable storage, allowing users to increase capacity via microSD-XC, a feature that is becoming rare in flagship smartphones. The Xperia 1V's camera system is where Sony truly flexes its expertise. Equipped with a 48MP primary sensor, a 12MP telephoto lens featuring continuous optical zoom from 3.5x to 5.2x, and a 12MP ultrawide sensor, this smartphone is designed for professional-grade photography and videography. Sony's advanced AI-powered image processing ensures stunning low-light performance, crisp details, and rich dynamic range. Video recording capabilities are equally impressive, supporting 4K HDR at 120fps, making it an excellent choice for content creators. The front-facing 12MP camera delivers high-quality selfies and video calls with exceptional clarity. Sony continues to cater to photography enthusiasts by including a dedicated camera shutter button, enabling precise control for capturing the perfect shot. The Xperia 1V also features Sony's renowned IAF, autofocus, and object tracking, ensuring that your subjects remain sharp and in focus, even in fast-moving scenarios. Sony has not compromised on battery life either, packing a robust 5000 mAh battery that supports 30W fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. This ensures that users can stay powered throughout the day without constantly worrying about finding a charger. The power efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, combined with Sony's software optimizations, allows for extended screen-on time, even when using demanding applications. The device retains a 3.5mm headphone jack, a rarity in premium smartphones, and supports high-resolution audio, making it a dream device for audiophiles. Additionally, Sony's stereo speakers deliver an immersive audio experience with enhanced clarity and depth. Running on Android with Sony's clean and near-stock UI, the Xperia 1V provides a smooth, bloatware-free experience with timely software updates. The device is also IP68 certified, ensuring water and dust resistance for durability in various environments. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia 1V stands as a testament to Sony's expertise in display, camera, and audio technology, making it one of the most well-rounded smartphones of the year. While competitors focus on software enhancements and AI integration, Sony continues to prioritize hardware excellence, providing a device tailored for power users, content creators, and multimedia enthusiasts. With its premium design, professional-grade camera system, and powerful internals, the Xperia 1V is a compelling choice for those who value quality and innovation. If you're looking for a flagship smartphone that delivers an unparalleled user experience, the Xperia 1V is undoubtedly worth considering. Stay tuned to Tech Vibe for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and the latest updates in the world of technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the tech curve.